I want to start with a simple question. What if the skill you're spending month or even year learning right now are the very skill that will matter the least in the next 2 to 3 years? Not because they are useless, but because they are becoming easier. This is something I have been thinking about recently, especially while working with the businesses, building systems, and looking how fast AI tools are evolving. The more I observe, the more I realize something quite uncomfortable. Technical skills are not disappearing, but they are becoming less valuable. Now that sounds extreme, so let's break it down. If you go back in time, there was a period where knowing how to build a website was a rare and a valuable skill. People made a lot of money doing it. Then tools come in, then templates come in, then no-code builder comes in. And now, AI can build entire website in just minutes. The skill did not disappear, but its value shifted. The same pattern is repeating right now, whether it is automation, coding, design, or even content creation. Tools are getting better every single week. Tasks that once required deep technical expertise can now be done with few clicks or a simple prompt. And this changes everything, because when something becomes easy to do, it becomes easy to replace. So the question becomes, if technical skills are becoming easier, then where is the value moving? And I think the answer is surprisingly simple. The value is moving up a level. It is moving from doing work to understand what work should be done. Because at the end of the day, business don't pay for the effort, they pay for the outcome. They don't care how complex the workflow is, they care whether it solves their problem or not. And this is where most people get stuck. They spend all of their life learning tools, memorizing features, understanding technical details, but they don't spend enough time understanding business problems. Let me give you a very simple example. A business owner does not come to you say, I need an automation. They say, I am losing leads, my team is slow, I am not getting enough booking. And if your response is, let me build you a workflow, you are already thinking at the wrong level. The real value is being able to say, I understand your problem and I will design a system to fix it. And this is a completely different skill. That is not technical, that is strategic. And this is where platforms like 𝗀𝗶𝗵 become powerful. Not because they allow you to build workflows, but because they allow you to implement complete system that capture leads, system that follow up instantly, system that book appointments, system that nurture and convert. But again, the tool is not valued. The thinking behind the system is the value. Because very soon, AI will be able to build most of the technical part for you. You will be able to describe what you want in plain English and the system will be created. But even then, someone still needs to decide what should happen if leads come in, what should happen if they don't respond, what should happen if they convert, and what should happen if they don't show up for a meeting. That is thinking, and it is not going away. In fact, it is becoming more valuable. And this is where I think the real opportunity lies, not in becoming the best at tools, but becoming the person who understands how businesses actually work. If you understand the flow of a business, marketing, sales, onboarding, delivery, retention, you can apply that knowledge anywhere. It does not matter if it is a clinic, a plumber, an agency, or an online business. The structure is the same, only the details change. And once you understand the structure, you are no longer tied to one skill. You are no longer competing with tools, you are operating at the higher level. That is a shift that is happening right now, and honestly, it is happening faster than most people realize. So instead of asking, what skills should I learn? A better question might be, what problem can I solve? Because skills can become obsolete, tools can change, platform can evolve, but the ability to understand problems and design systems to solve them, that stay valuable. And this is exactly what I help businesses do. I don't just build automation, I work as a business strategist, helping business identify where they are losing leads, time, and revenue. And then I design complete system around them using 𝗀𝗀𝗵𝗵. So if you're watching this and you are thinking, I am getting leads but not converting them, things are not structured, then this is probably your next step. You can sign up for 𝗀𝗀𝗵𝗵 using the affiliate link mentioned in the description below. And if you want me to personally look at your business and help you build a complete system tailored specifically for you, you can book a strategy call with me using the Calendly link that is also mentioned in the description below. On that call, we will break down your current setup, identify exactly where things are not working, and map out a clear system for you. Because at the end of the day, technical skill might change, tools might evolve, but businesses will always need systems, and the person who understands those systems will always win.